Me huele a disparate 400. ¡Toma!
Introducing the Judge, one of the most talked about three-quarter chassis Mazda RX-7s in the world. Debuting in early 2025, this car didn't show up, it took over. Since its first outing in April, the Judge has gone back to back, shattering records left and right in the old school class. But what really turned heads? Under the hood, no rotary. Instead, a Honda K24 swap. And for the rotary faithfuls, yeah, that's a sin. Powered by a precision turbo next-gen 88 Proma turbocharger, this RX-7 wasn't just built to break records, it was built to dominate. Victories at Import Spring Nationals and World Cup Finals, runner-up at World Sport Compact Challenge, and finishing the year as Old School Class champion in the OSW Drag Racing Series. With a personal best and class record of 6:14 at 225, the Judge now holds both the three-quarter chassis RX-7 world record and the class world record. The question is, will we see the first 5-second three-quarter chassis RX-7? Time will tell. Built by Pimar Racing and Air 51 race cars, chassis tuned by GRS Motorsports, owned and driven by Giomar Rodriguez from the law office of Karen Rodriguez. Congratulations to the entire team.